Hey guys, what's going on? We are playing a new series, and this series is called Craft Everything. So, we have our nice, beautiful chest. Oh, it was just here a second ago. Oh my god, who's gonna say it? Here it is. Let's see what good things we have. You guys probably can't see that, but we have a wooden axe, 3 oak wood planks, 2 carrots, 2 oak wood planks again, a stick, 2 oak wood, 3 oak wood, 2 oak wood, oak sapling, jungle tree sapling, wooden axe, mushroom, and another mushroom. So, what we're probably going to do, we're going to probably try to just get up here and just cut down some trees. I don't know if that would be a good idea or not. Let's cut it down. Let's cut some trees down. Strong man. Cut some trees down like this, like like that, and like that. Strong, lonely man. Oops. Look around, see what we can find down here. See if I can find a jungle, that would be good. Find the jungle. Welcome to the jungle. Oh, I gotta take the chest. Okay, let me just take this chest. Here we go. I'm mining it. We're gonna mine this little thing. We're gonna mine this. We're gonna mine that. We're gonna mine that. And then we're gonna go. And we're going to just cut down some trees up here. Like that. Like that. Like that. Over again, cutting a tree down, which takes forever. Let's plant one there. Let's plant one there. Let's plant them there. Now let's go this way. Let's cut down this tree. Let's cut down. We have 2 wooden axes, so what do I? Yeah, I have 2 wooden axes. Axes. So sorry I haven't been busy with this series. A lot of busy things going on here at this while we're doing it. So I'm gonna probably stop this video at like when it gets to, I don't know, 5 minutes. This is gonna be a long video, but yeah, this is just like a starter's video. All the other videos will be longer because my iPad is running low on battery. Yes, it is. It is like 10% right now. I don't know, it may be lower than that. So I'm going to stop this video when it gets to 5 minutes. And then I'm going to upload it and all that good processing and stuff like that. So let's try to find a jungle. Oh, great, a village. Oh, maybe there'll be a blacksmith at that village. Oh, let me whip them. Holy crap. I'll go check that out later. Where was I getting shot? Crap. What the frig? That's totally awesome. Let's try to get over to that. Household, I'm coming for you. Come on, wherever you are. There's freaking divots in the freaking thing all over this place. Oh, that, because I didn't want the flower. I didn't like flowers. Flowers are always mean to me. I have allergies. They're mean to me. Okay, so I hope there is a blacksmith. So I'll just do the thing. Yes. We can't get up there. Yes, we can. I'm gonna look in the chest. Is there anything in the chest? There's an iron sword. Yes. Awesome. Awesome. This is a perfect start to the video. So yeah, guys, I think that's gonna be all for this video. See you later, guys, and bye.